Dear students, today I am going to tell you about the Russian Revolution. In one of the least industrialized of European states, this situation was reversed. Socialists took over the government in Russia through the October Revolution of 1917. The fall of monarchy in February 1917 and the events of October are normally called the Russian Revolution. How did this come about? ये रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन कैसे हुआ? What were the social and political condition in Russia when the revolution occurred? जब रूस में यह क्रांति आई तो वहाँ की सामाजिक और राजनैतिक स्थिति कैसी थी? To answer these questions, let us look at Russia a few years before the revolution. The Russian Empire in 1914. In 1914, Tsar Nicholas II ruled Russia and its empire. Besides the territory around Moscow, the Russian Empire included current-day Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, parts of Poland, Ukraine, and Belarus. It stretched to the Pacific and comprised today's Central Asian states as well as Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. The majority religion was Russian Orthodox Christianity, which had grown out of the Greek Orthodox Church, but the empire also included Catholic, Protestants, Muslims, and Buddhists. The next topic is economy and society. At the beginning of the 20th century, the vast majority of Russia's people were agriculturists. About 85% of the Russian Empire's population earned their living from agriculture. This proportion was higher than in most European countries. For instance, in France and Germany, the proportion was between 40% and 50%. In the empire, cultivators produced for the market as well as for their own needs, and Russia was a major exporter of grain. Industry was found in pockets. Prominent industrial areas were St. Petersburg and Moscow. Craftsmen undertook much of the production, but large factories existed alongside crafts workshops. Many factories were set up in the 1890s when Russia's railway network was extended and foreign investment in industry increased. Coal production doubled and iron and steel output quadrupled by the 1900s. In some areas, factory workers and craftsmen were almost equal in number. Dear students, go through the chapter The Russian Revolution and try to understand that in which conditions the revolution occurred. यह रूस की क्रांति किन परिस्थितियों में हुई, इसके बारे में आप इस चैप्टर में अध्ययन करेंगे। इसलिए आप लोग इसको अच्छी तरह से इस चैप्टर को पढ़ें और समझने का प्रयास करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच डियर स्टूडेंट्स।